All right, this is the finals review, assignment number 1, question 4. What are the zeros? So just remember that means like when is this equal to 0? And then what are multiplicities? So there should be 4 answers total, right? And so to start finding those answers, I'm going to factor. You could graph it right away if you wanted, but basically I would factor. You can pull out a GCF of x squared. Be a good way to start. All right, and then it actually factors further where this is a trinomial, so we can put x and x here to make the x squared. And then we need a pair of numbers that multiplies to positive 9 and adds up to negative 6. So I know it's going to be two negatives, multiply to positive and add up to a negative. And so basically it's just 3 and 3. Multiplies to positive 9, adds to negative 6. Okay, and so I'm going to rewrite this a little bit, expand it. I'm going to take x squared and really say that's x times x. Okay, and so now each one of these generates an answer. So for each times x, that generates an answer of 0. And then these x minus 3's generate answers of 3. If you set them to 0, right, x minus 3 equals 0, you solve that, you'll get 3. Okay, so what happens is you have 4 answers, but they're repeated. So the way we say this is like x equals 0 has a multiplicity of 2 because it occurs twice. Similarly, our answer of x equals 3 has a multiplicity of 2 because it occurs twice. Okay, so however many times it shows up, like if you had another x equals 3, then it would be a multiplicity of 3 or whatever. But here, you know, that's not going to happen. We should have 4 answers, so we do have 4 answers, 0, 0, 3, 3. Those are our 4 answers. All right, that's it. Just remember, start with a GCF if you ever factor, and that's your key here. Thanks for watching.